Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a chicken curry recipe for you guys. It's super easy and simple. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comment section below if you do give it a try and how it turns out. So first things first, I'm adding oil to my pan and then I'm going to add the co-fresh garlic and ginger cubes. I will now be adding 4 medium-sized onions and salt. Give that a good stir and then add your whole spices. You need 2 small cinnamon sticks, about 3 half bay leaves and some black seed. Black seed is the cure to every disease, guys. Now give that all a very good mix and leave it for about 5 minutes before you add your water. And now let the onions melt for about 10 minutes. If you feel like the onions haven't melted well, guys, then go ahead and mash it up. And then you are ready to add your ground spices. So you need 1 large spoon of coriander powder, 1 small spoon of chili powder, 2 heaped big spoons of mixed curry powder, and 1 small spoon of turmeric powder. Also add 1 chopped tomato, guys. That gives a really nice taste to it. It didn't pick this up on camera, unfortunately, guys, but I did go ahead and add a small teaspoon of cumin seeds. I don't like the powder version because it just has a weird smell to it. And then give that all a very good mix. Make sure you leave the spices to cook for about a good 10 minutes, guys. After 5 minutes, make sure you add a little bit of water so the spices doesn't burn on the bottom. Keep the heat on low, but still do check up on it just to make sure it's not burning at all or sticking to the pan. We are now ready to add in the pre-washed chicken. I've added 2 baby chickens here. Make sure you give it a very good mix, guys, so the spices are fully absorbed into the chicken. And then let the chicken cook for about a good 20 minutes. You can leave it like this, guys, if you want to, if you want a thick texture, but I went ahead and added some water because I'd be warming it up again at night time and I didn't want the texture to be too thick and dry. But if I was cooking this for guests, then I would leave it like this. Whether you add water or not, make sure you let the chicken cook for 20 minutes in total. So I'm going to leave it for another 10 minutes. So this is it, guys. This is the finished dish. I'm going to garnish it with some coriander now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time.